here to look for you. What have you done? I know you. Obiapo, Obietiane, Kedi female.
I've not done anything. It's you. Mama, I told you. This Ekberima would never tell you the truth.
For once, say the truth now, Biko. Eh?
Hey, why are you looking at her like that? I'm Osu. Listen, since you have decided to do your own, you know me, I'm a naked woman. I cannot force the truth out of your mouth. Ibonoiti, Obietina. Oh, Obranya Manumuni, Sagaro. Can name what you of it? Otizenata. I'm a naked woman. I will tell you part of my food. You're keeping the truth from me. I'm keeping my food from you.
Bam.
Oh, you're shocked. This time around, you go to ask your mother for food. Until you open that your stupid smelly mouth to tell me the truth, you will not taste anything in this house. Oh yeah, get out. Get out. Get out.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.